Welcome back. So today we're going to be making some small flint strikers. So what I've got here is 3 or so inches, 3.5 inches of spring steel. We'll be drawing it out to square, drawing out some tapers on the ends, curling those over to give a bit of a grip so you protect your knuckles, and then hardening these. Bearing in mind these are designed to be hard, brittle, so they throw a good spark when struck, not tough. So I have a suspicion there's going to be some element of prone to breakage, but we'll see how we go. I may temper back the grip portion just to protect that a little bit because it's going to be quite thin. We're going to aim to make 6 of these. I won't show you the making of all of them. I will review them at the end to see how well I did on repetition, on being repeatable. Along the way, we'll see how we go, but there may be some more scribes made. See how we go for time. So let's get things hot. Alright, so we're just squaring up. We're going to run this first one through from start to finish. And then I'm going to go through and do the others, and we'll see how repeatable I actually was. Alright, square up the other end quickly. Pretty good. I've gone a bit on the, I'm a bit on the diamond on that one. There we go, back on the square. Alright, let's straighten this out. See how long we've gotten, how much extra length that gave us. Alright, so that gave us an extra 1/2 inch. Means we can change this about 3/4 of an inch. Make a little mark so we can find that, and then we'll draw that end out. So we're going to try and keep it the same width. We're going to see how long of a taper we can get. if we can't get that taper out to approximately 2 inches. How long have we gotten it? We are a 1/4 inch. Alright, let's see, where are we at? Eighth or thereabouts. So working with the straight pin allows you to stretch it, but also to keep your hands from being over the work, which the cross pin would not allow. So using the right tool makes a big difference. Almost. Once we get there, we're going to curl the ends up down in the current orientation that we're working, so that when we fold them over behind, the curls are actually on the outside. One final check. Yep. There we go, that's number 1 done. And here's number 2. That'll tidy up for the other one. pretty close to the seam. So there's the template piece. And we'll run from there. So how did I do? Top right is the first one I did. And I'm not sure about the exact order anymore, seeing as I got a bit jumbled up after quenching and heat treatment. But the others are very uniform. I suspect this might be number 2, but I can't be 100% sure. So there you go, that's repeatability. So that's that exercise completed. I'm not going to make more scribers today. I've got a couple of errands to run quickly before I see my parents over the weekend. So that's 6 very similar forged items. For something I've never actually made before, I've managed to get them pretty damn accurate. So I'm quite happy with that. They're a little bit small for my touch mark, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them as far as marking them as my work. But now that they've been heat treated, it's a bit of a moot point. I am going to heat up the handle portion, like the finger guard portion, this bit here, just to make sure there's no quenching excess hardness in here, otherwise they are likely to break in use. And I don't mind losing a little bit of hardness at the very ends. I figure it's probably worth losing that little bit of hardness there. So that's where I'm going to leave it. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media. And please subscribe so you know when the next one drops. And hit the bell if you want to get notified of that. Do get out to your shop. Do have some fun. Stay safe. And I will see you for the next one.